for Outstanding Broadcaster. He is the 12th Vice President of the Philippines and a former chairman of the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council. Currently, he anchors ABS-CBN TV Patrol and has hosted Magandang Gabi Bayan, Teleradyo Serbisyo Balita, and KBYN, Kaagapay ng Bayan, 2022 to the present. He has received numerous awards, including the Mass Media Award, KBP Golden Awards, and recognition from the Dangerous Drugs Board. He is a multi-awarded radio commentator, TV newscaster, and public affairs host, known for his fearless and committed journalism. Ladies and gentlemen, our awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, let us welcome Mr. Manuel Roterio Cabayan Noli de Castro, Public Affairs Program Host, Broadcaster, and News Anchor. To confer the award, with him is our Chief Public Attorney, Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, accompanied by our two regional public attorneys.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele.
Salamat po at congratulations po sa lahat ng public attorneys na umaattend ngayon dito sa 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys. Ito po ay patunay ng ating sama-samang dedikasyon, kasama niyo ako dyan, sa pagtataguyod ng katarungan at karapatan para sa lahat po ng Pilipino. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa PAO sa pagkilala sa akin bilang Outstanding Broadcaster. Ito po ay isang malaking karangalan at inspirasyon upang patuloy kong pagbutihin pa ang aking paglilingkod sa bayan. Mabuhay po ang Public Attorney's Office.